Another common term in pressure regulators is creep. Now, creep is a very important phenomenon to understand. And creep is identified as a slow increase in the outlet pressure as the regulator is in its shut-off position. This will indicate internal leakage and the regulator should be serviced immediately. There are a few factors that may cause a regulator to creep, but 99 times out of 100 it's due to contamination from upstream of the regulator. Several of our regulators come with a filter as standard, but if they don't, you should put one in place. The contamination causes damage to the seat or the main valve and prevents the regulator achieving a positive shutoff. If left, the regulator outlet will match the inlet pressure. A safety relief valve downstream of the pressure regulator should always be used. It is also important you do not use a pressure regulator as a shutoff valve. To help you solve creep in your system, then please reach out to Pressure Tech.